You're looking for a storage container that could hold detergent, a place that you have a towel to grab and throw in your dirty laundry to the side. Things to place on top, towels, and other accessories. We're going to show you what this product is about. VECELO, 2-tier, 3-tier organizer for laundry rooms and bathrooms. As we open up the product, we'll show you how nicely it's packaged. We pull out the instruction guide to go over and how to build the unit. Everything is plastic wrapped and protected. With the instruction guide, please go over the parts. Everything is laid out on the table that you get, taped and wrapped up. The first step is to find the pieces and start to separate and install. We have two foldable pieces. Simply rotate on one side and spread open, and inside will be a shelf that's going to drop down to lock into place. The shelf is put in, simply press down and a firm press for clicking. Please put to the side the piece that we folded, and we have two more pieces to open. As we lift up off of the larger one, the small shelf that we lift up and open and fold down the inside shelf to lock into place. And we repeat for the big one as well by opening, spreading the sides, and locking the shelf inside down. Place the large one to the side, and let's work on the small one with the little divider inside. It goes in one particular way, the notch end, either towards the serrated side, either way, they're both the same. Simply spread, rotate, and lock in. We'll show you that over here by placing it in, and that is how simple it is to lock into place. This is your drawer that you built, the two separate areas. As we rotate around, we have a handle that we're going to place on. They snap in. Please make sure that you place on with the closed side and not the circle side. Circle side faces down. Press in firmly. Once it snaps in, you completed that step. On the floor, we lift up the one that goes into the shelf by taking the shelf and simply placing in. The shelf does not slide forward and back. It locks into place on the side. So what you need to do is firmly press in on each of the corners to hear a hard snap. And then the shelf door opens on an angle and in. The 2-tier, 3-tier system has wheels. The wheels can be hooked up on the bottom shelves or the bottom hamper. If we rotate around, you'll notice 4 holes on both. We're going to be placing in the wheels. They have locking mechanisms on 2 of the 4. The top 2 doors that open, we have 2 handles with the holes on the inside. Simply force in and hear the snap, and repeat for the other one as well. Lift up the top part and place on and over the bottom part. On the sides, we have locking mechanisms. Simply lift up, snap in on all 4 sides. As we open up, making sure everything is snapped into place. This is the top cover. This is the inside shelf. Slide in, you have many different areas to lock in. Lift up, put in the center, and lock down. With the notch area in the front, close. This is the top piece with the top rail system. This is the top cover. These are the clips. They slip on and over firmly and press. It goes on one way and one way only. If this is rotated around, it will not go on. If you had a 3-tier system, then the third system will go here and the top will go on. The rail simply lays into the holes and press down. And that is your laundry room, bathroom cabinetry. We have the 2-tier unit in the corner, and we can turn the wheels in, lock them, and we're able to open up the unit, and we have our shelves so we can put our items in. We have the bottom pantry that we can place in towels, dirty laundry, and so forth. If we need to move it, it has wheels, casters, we can place it anywhere. It's got a rubber type handle that you can grip. Embedded shelf on top, so if liquid spills, it stays inside. Check online for further details from the company. They come in white only. They come in 2 models, 2-tier and 3-tier. So no more small things that hold just 1 or 2 items or using a milk crate. You have here is a 2-tier, 3-tier storage bin. Placing in your detergents. A place on top that you could fold your towels. And a place on bottom that you could place in your dirty towels and clean towels. So you have a lot to offer inside that holds a number of things. So if you're looking for a bathroom, a laundry room, a bin, a holder, a storage container that you could put in to the dirty bin area and clean towels in areas and have laundry and other items inside and held a lot of stuff and storage on top. I hope this is something that you are looking for in your laundry and bathroom needs. Thank you for viewing.